Good morning students, how are you all? Today we are going to solve worksheet number 3. This worksheet is framed from your notebooks, textbook and your sessions. Right? Let's start with worksheet of chapter number 5. Choose the correct option. Which of the following is salt but its solution is not neutral solution? Sugar, common salt, baking soda or tamarind. So, baking soda is not a neutral solution. Which color does China rose indicator give with base? Pink, red, blue, green. So, it gives us pink color. What is the function of phenolphthalein used in neutralization reaction? As an acid, as a base, as a salt, as an indicator. So what function do phenolphthalein have in neutralization reaction? As an indicator. Which of the following is not an acidic substance? Vinegar, orange juice, baking soda, gooseberry, that is amla. So which is not acidic? It is baking soda. What is the chemical name of baking soda? Sodium carbonate, sodium chloride, sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydrogen carbonate is other name of baking soda, that is chemical name of baking soda. State true or false. Milk of magnesia is an acid. False. Milk of magnesia is a base. Sugar and glucose are neutral towards litmus paper, yet they are not salt. True. Gooseberry and citrus fruit contain vitamin C. Gooseberry, amla and citrus fruit contain vitamin C. It is true. The gastric juice in our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. True. Washing soda is a type of salt. True. Define the following. Neutralization. Chemical reaction between an acid and a base that produce salt and water is called neutralization. Neutralization reaction क्या होता है? जब एसिड और बेस दोनों रिएक्ट होते हैं तब वो सॉल्ट और वाटर प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज न्यूट्रलाइजेशन. इंडिकेटर. The substance is used to examine whether the given substance is acidic or basic are called indicator. Indicator क्या होते हैं? जो सब्सटेंस हम एसिडिक और बेसिस को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, एग्जामिन कर सकते हैं, उसे हम इंडिकेटर्स कहते हैं. आंसर द फॉलोइंग इन वन सेंटेंस. हाउ आर बेसिस टू टेस्ट एंड टच? बेसिस आर बिटर टू टेस्ट एंड सोपी टू टच. बेसिस जो होते हैं वो टेस्ट में बिटर होते हैं और टच करने में वो बहुत स्लिपरी यानी सोपी होते हैं. गिव नेम्स ऑफ इंडिकेटर अवेलेबल इन नेचर. टर्मरिक, लिटमस and petal of China rose are the indicators available in nature. ये सब जो है वो natural indicators हैं. Which substance are produced by the neutralization reaction between acid and base? Salt and water are produced by the neutralization reaction between acid and base. जब neutralization reaction होता है तब क्या बनता है? Salt and water. Name the chemical present in milk of magnesia. Magnesium hydroxide is present in milk of magnesia. Write a chemical equation of neutralization reaction. NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, plus HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, gives NaCl, that is sodium chloride, plus H2O, that is water. So this is a chemical equation of neutralization reaction. Sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid gives sodium chloride, that is salt, plus water. Give point of difference. Acid and base. They are sour to taste and they are soapy to touch. They turn blue litmus red and base turns red litmus blue. Acid आपको क्या याद रखना है? एसिड के लिए ब्लू लिटमस रेड हो जाता है और बेस के लिए रेड लिटमस ब्लू हो जाता है. Classify the following substance into acidic, basic and neutral substance. Orange acidic. Common salt, neutral. Milk of magnesia, basic. Vinegar, acid. Soap, basic. Slake lime, basic. Sugar, neutral. Curd, acidic. Distilled water, neutral. Lemon juice, acidic. Washing soda, basic. State the properties of base. Give 3 examples. The properties of base are as follows. They are bitter to taste. They react chemically with acid. They turn red litmus paper blue. They produce salt and water when react chemically with acid. Examples: sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. These are the example of bases. What is salt? Give its example. The substance produced by neutralization reaction between acid and base is called a salt. What is salt? जो न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन में सब्सटेंस के तौर पे बाहर हमें मिलता है, जब एसिड और बेस कंबाइन होते हैं, वो दोनों रिएक्ट करते हैं, तो वो क्या फॉर्म करते हैं? सॉल्ट. सोडियम क्लोराइड, दैट इज कॉमन सॉल्ट, नाइट्रेट, पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट आर सॉल्ट. बोथ ऑफ देम डू नॉट इफेक्ट ऑन लिटमस पेपर. अब सोडियम क्लोराइड और नाइट्रेट जो है वो लिटमस पेपर से रिएक्ट नहीं करते हैं, हेंस दे आर neutral substance. Right children? So with this we complete worksheet number 3. Thank you and have a nice day children.